Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the file system error with the error code -2015294522 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 with the file system error 2015294522. So this error is frequently encountered while attempting to open text documents using Notepad. And there are several potential causes of the file system error, such as corrupted system files, out-of-date Windows version, and issues with the Notepad software. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reinstall the Notepad. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na itong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na appwiz.cpl. So just type this command keyword appwiz.cpl to launch the programs and features. And next step, so itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na dito yung programs and features, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Notepad. Alright? So hanapin mo lang dito yung Notepad, for example, and then kailangan mo lang ito i-uninstall. So select, at dito lang sa taas makikita mo dito yung uninstall, and then kailangan mo lang itap dito. Alright, so after dito sa programs and features, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair or reset Notepad. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so just type this Notepad. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung app settings. And next step, so kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, iselect mo lang dito yung terminate. So, kailangan mo lang itap dito yung terminate. And then, after dito sa terminate, and then next, dito sa reset. So, if this app is it working right, and then we can try to repair it. So, kailangan mo lang itap dito yung repair. So, after dito, ang next step ay, if this app is still is it working right, and then kailangan mo na itong i-reset. So, i-click mo lang dito yung reset. Alright, so after dito, and the last solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair the corrupted system files. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na DISM /online /cleanup-image /Restorehealth. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+C. And next step, then you need to use the Ctrl+B to paste the link in here. So Ctrl+B and press enter. And deployment, image servicings, and management tool. And then we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword sfc /scannow. And all is small letter, and then /scannow, that is one word. And press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, so we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close this CMD. In here, start menu, and just tap this restart, okay? Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix file system error -2015294522 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.